Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Demon baby father. Full story. There was a woman who had a boyfriend who passed away tragically. It devastated her and she went into a deep depression. One night, a demon took the form of her boyfriend and crept into bed with her as she slept. She thought it was her boyfriend who came to be with her in her dreams, so she was happy to see him. The demon slept with her for many nights. She thought it was the love of her life that came back to be with her in spirit, so she enjoyed every moment of it. One day, she started to feel pregnancy symptoms, and a few days later she had a 9-month belly. Her family became really concerned as to why her belly became so large. They took her to the doctor and they discovered that she was pregnant. Her family was puzzled as to why she was pregnant, and that's when she explained to them.
Follow Jamaican true
She
stories.
told them that her boyfriend's tuppy was coming to her at nights, and she knows that it's his. Her family tried to talk sense into her, but she wouldn't listen. A few weeks later, her belly went completely flat. A few weeks after that, her belly was 9 months again. It kept getting flat and growing again every few weeks, until the full 9 months passed and she went into labor. The doctor who delivered that baby was traumatized when he delivered a scorpion humanoid baby. He couldn't believe his eyes, but it wasn't so taboo. There are apparently many similar cases of women giving birth to humanoid children that are fathered by demons. They told the mother that her baby died at birth and quickly ended the creature's life. The mother was never told.
Check out the playlist below for more Debbie stories.